The rainfall so far in India is 25% below the 50-year average. Yet the Met Department expects a normal monsoon this year.
Well, the rain gods certainly haven't been smiling on the country, because as per the latest data available, the rain so far for the whole of the country have been close to 25% lower than the average. This is, of course, rain that is calculated from the 1st of June. In terms of the geographical spread, then, the north and the northeast part of the country is where we've had rains which are 14% below normal, but it's the central part where it's dropped below 26% of the long-term averages. And the northwest part of the country, that is Rajasthan and Gujarat, we've seen rains which have been close to 43% below normal. In terms of the other distribution breakup, then 37% of the country has witnessed rains which have been in normal or excess. However, 63% of the country is where we've seen deficient to very scanty rainfall. In terms of the specific areas, then, what the Met Department in its latest review has said that in the next 24 hours the rains are and the monsoons are likely to cover the whole of the country. In fact, for the month of July, rains are likely to be in the range of 98% of the long-term averages. In terms of the northwest part of the country, the Met Department has said that it would get 93% of the normal rainfalls, and the southern peninsula then will be getting close to 95% of the long-term averages. Do remember, of course, the delay in monsoons that we've seen so far has affected sowing as well, and with the rains progressing to the northern part of the country, we've had central as well as the northern part where sowing has picked up. However, in the western part, that is Rajasthan and Gujarat, which basically sow coarse cereals, we are seeing a pretty sort of delays that have been coming into that part of the country. However, towards the north, that's Punjab and Haryana, we've seen some pick-up as far as sowing for wheat as well as paddy is concerned.
Okay, Megha Chadha there with a check on the monsoon progress. Meantime, you had S.C. Bhan, Director of the Indian Meteorological Department, who expects the rainfall to improve in the coming week and does not see a drought situation this year.
Overall situation of monsoon during the past week has been very good, and the situation is expected to continue during the coming week. As far as the current situation is concerned, monsoon has improved a lot and it's likely to improve further. So, as on date, we don't see any concern of a drought coming to India during this year. We have issued a forecast for normal monsoon, and we believe that monsoon is going to be normal.